What are these UTF-8 literals in C#11? You may remember from earlier C# versions that in order to get UTF-8 you would need to do something like this, which wasn't very performant because this was happening during runtime and it was pretty verbose. Now C#11 offers a new way to get UTF-8, and this way it's way less verbose and it's also more performant because you've enforced compiler to get a value during the compile time. Now, if you for some reason need a byte array still, you can still have it with the new C#11 UTF-8 syntax. This is all great, however there are some limitations to UTF-8. For one, they cannot be used as default parameters, which has to do with the fact that they are not compile time constant. If you try to compile and run this code, you get an error. The same is true with string interpolation. You cannot use string interpolation together with UTF-8 symbols. It's simply not allowed. So what are the key takeaways? For one, it's good because it offers a simplified creation, it's not so verbose, and it's more performant because it's enforced during the compile time. However, as we have seen, there are some limitations too. It cannot be used as default parameters, and it does not work together with string interpolation. Thanks for watching.